He's ready.
Oh.
Ruben. Keep going.
That's why you lost.
No. Keep going. There you go. Keep going. Not one passing. Don't let me. Don't worry. Eat the patty. Hassan, you finished the patty you won. You finished the half of the patty you won.
Stop. I think stop with the bottom one. I think the cooler one. Yeah, there you go.
He's so slow.
Got half a patty left.
Something called stop
How you feeling? Yeah, you just said, look at that. Keep going. You've got half a patty left. Come on, lock him. Take the burger off and put it in there. Put the whole burger in there. Put the patty in there. Rip it off.
Your wallet is empty.
That's this.
Keep going. Finish that half to him. He's ate a bit. Finish the half.
Vomit. You need to vomit.
Finish half of it.
That's just disgusting.
Keep going. No way, lock it. Yeah, lock it.
Vomit. You need to vomit.
He's
If you vomit, just get out.
Yeah.
I'll make that vomit.
How you feeling, huh? Remember, look at him.
What he's gagging?
Eat half and you've won. Eat half of it.
I'm not actually.
Oh, man.
Eat half of it.
I like look at him. Indian street.
Keep going.
Indian street.
Yo, you're winning at what cost? At what cost?
Do you quit? Yeah, keep going. DNF?
No. You might vomit, Joel. I want to make him pretty.
Did you even want to patty? Finish the burger one you won. Finish the burger one. Bites off. You finish it, you win. Yep, you finish it, you win. Finish it. Empty mouth, you won.
I need to vomit. No, he needs to vomit.
I don't think Hassan's vomiting, I'll be honest with you. I don't think he is. You good? Huh?
What's for dessert?
What's for dessert? Oh, he's trolling you. What's for dessert? How you feeling? Be honest with me. Clean mouth, you won. iPhone 17 Pro Max is all yours. Right here.
Just give up one. Just give up.
Clean mouth. Hassan is our winner. Hassan is our winner of the 301 tournament to win the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Everyone get him.
What? Impressive, I'm so proud of
You had smash burgers, you had 2 chicken burgers, and now you've got others 3